Hi guys, Lover's Moon by Glenn Frey. There's a lover's moon tonight as I look back over my shoulder. All the stars are shining bright, just like the night that I used to hold her. She's out somewhere under the lover's moon. Okay, that's our intro and first verse. Lover's Moon by Glenn Frey. Intro chords G, G on the 7th fret, E minor on the 8th fret, C on the 8th fret, also on the 8th, and D on the 5th fret. So two times, there are two parts. And okay, this is the first part. This is your G on the 7, or you can, but for me, I like this kind of G form on the 7th fret. You pick the first and the second string and the bass, the fourth string. First, second, and fourth string, and then pick third string, second string, and then put your pinky on the 8th fret and bar it first and second string, pick on the 7th fret, A minor, so that's 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, and 7. That's your E minor on the 7. And then pick first, second, and fifth string, and then third, second, and then bar the first and second fret on the 8th, first and second string on the 8th fret, and then C on the 8th fret. Pick bass, first and second string, and then third, second string, and then put your pinky on the 10th fret of second string and pick first and second string, and then D7 sustain. D7, slide down your pinky on the 7th fret to make it D7, and then G on the 3rd fret. This is the second part. Bass, first and second string, and then third, second, and then 5th fret on first and second string, and then E minor. That's first string, 3rd fret, second string, 5th fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, and 4th string on 2nd fret. That's your E minor. So, and then 4th and first and second string, and then 3rd, 2nd, and then 5th fret on first and second string, and then C. So C on the 3rd fret, bass, first and second string, and then third, second, and then bar fifth fret of first and second string, pick, and then G sustained for second string on the third fret on the first and second string. Pick first string, second string, and fourth string, and then third, and then remove your pinky to make it a D7, a D chord. So 2 beats only for each chord. First, second, and fourth string, and then third string, and then remove your pinky, first and second string, and fourth string, and then third. Okay, so and now for G, first verse. So our intro, G in the seventh. You can listen to the intro and you'll find it on the higher scale, and then going down the scale, and then finally your verse G. So your G, the first time is over here, and then the second time is over there, and now it's over there, your G. Okay, the first verse, same chords except for the fifth line. So G, E minor, C, D 3 times, and then C, and then D. Okay, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, so pick bass, first and second string, and then third string. That's for G, and then open fifth string. So 1, 2, back to first and second string, and then open fifth string, and then E minor. Same picking, bass, first and second string, and then third string, back to first and second string, and then open fifth string, and then C, same picking, fifth string, first and second string, third, and then open, and then D. Bass, first and second string, your bass is the fourth string, and then third, and then second string. This time is different. Bass plus first and second string, and then second string, first string, open, left of your middle finger, put it back, so, and then back again to G. Okay, there's a lover's moon tonight, as I look up over my shoulder, all the stars are shining bright, like the night when I used to hold. And then C, this time C. It's 2 measures, and she answers, just like the night when I used to hold. She's out of somewhere under the lover. And then do first part of intro on the 7th. Second verse. Lovers, lovers, moon, won't you shine on me? I'm dancing with my memory. I wish I may, I wish I might. A one last refrain. Waiting, I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lovers. And then our ad-lib is the intro again. And then after the intro, after and then G, E minor, and then C. For C, pick first and second string and the bass, pinch, hammer on the third fret, and then pull off. Okay, one more time. Bass, first and second string, hammer, and then pull up. Pick again, and then third string, and then D. Hammer, fourth string, first and second string, hammer on the third fret of first string, and then pull off, pick first and second string, and then third string. So that's 4. And then back to G. So our chords for the refrain is G, A minor, C, D, same twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then G, A minor, A minor, we have A minor, A minor, under the lover, and then intro, the first and the second part, and then the okay. Now after the ad lib, we have the third verse. This. So. Third verse. There's a lover's moon tonight, shining down on top of this world. All the souls are in its light, but for me there is just one girl, and she's waiting for refrain 2, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me. This time A minor, under the lover's moon. Okay, back again, A minor, under the lover, and then outro. You do the intro, first and second part. first part of the outro is first part of intro and the second part, and then 6 times. 6 times, and then you fade. Okay, that's it. So remember for verses the picking is based on first and second string, and then open on fifth string. Okay, for refrain. Okay, now here's your tab. Lyrics chords in tab. Okay, got it. Okay, anyway, just click the link. Now our next lesson. She Makes Me Feels by Matthew Fisher. Okay, on first fret. Oh, that's sounding good. We'll buy a new one. Okay. The strings I got big fingers, so the chords can easily be muted. You see? Okay, others. So deep, the silent stars was every sleep. The drift across the sky, we never stop to wonder why. The million eyes that never will. She loves dreaming, okay, like a child. Okay, that's it, guys. Please like and share, comments, and don't forget to click the notification bell and use your subtitles, so that you can follow the lesson. I'm not a good speaker. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, that's it for today. Have a good day. I hope you can catch up.